Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Young Researchers. In today's video we will discuss an important topic, that is how we can take online courses at United Nations University UNU. This university provides different types of courses. Some of them are paid courses and some are free. So when you take or register for these courses, either you get certificate at the end of completion of these courses, or else you will be just only informed via mail that you have completed this course or for which you enrolled before. So this United Nations University, along with the partnership of some other organization, it provide a variety of courses that spans over environmental issues and some other kind of artificial intelligence as well. So it is beneficial for like new learners or students to take these courses because if they want to improve or sharpen their skills, and it is very useful in the form if you add these kind of certificates or about courses completion in your resume, then it will boost up your CV while you are applying for some jobs or for scholarship abroad. So in this video we will discuss some topics regarding how you can enroll for paid scholarships, paid certified courses of UNU, and after that we will show you some courses at the site that are free and everyone can take that course. And after that we will discuss about how the certificate looks like, and at the end of the video I will show you my own certificate that you can also get after completion of the courses. So they like you have the opportunity or chance to get the certificate free of cost as well. And if you want to pay and you want to excel your like skills and want to improve your knowledge furthermore, you can also pay for those courses that are considered as more advanced courses at UNU. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to the Google and write United Nations University courses certified. So here you can see different types of courses here. So we will click on this link, United Nations e-learning courses. So it will first verify either you are human. You have to tick this option to show or confirm that you are not robot. After that you can see different kind of like courses here downward. All these kind of courses, some are paid one, like you have to pay to get these e-learning certified courses. You can get any kind of information about what United Nations University is about and what kind of careers or agenda you can see from these. And if you want to enroll for any kind of course, you can select your course relevant to your field, or you can also watch these videos that are free to everyone. So now we will move towards how you can register for courses at UNU. So for this you have to scroll down to the site, and here you can see an option of online courses. We will also provide the link of this online courses site in the description. You can check from that. Okay, so here you can when you scroll down you can see a variety of courses, and also you can see the deadline and the due date of applying to each course. And these courses are paid. Okay, so these courses are paid and you have to pay the fees. For example, this online course application like governance in theory and practice, it is starting from 15th of April, and like end date will be 17 June, but you have to apply for these dates like 1st April to 3rd June. Okay, so this is the deadline for applying for this course, and the same for each course they have mentioned the deadline, and they have also mentioned the course duration, when it will start and when it will be finished. Okay, so here you can see different online courses. Like if I click on this link first, you can scroll down and you can see an option of apply here. and you can update the information providing your email address, your name, and all these things. Okay, so you have to apply your complete name, full name, last name, and after that when you click on the next, you have to fill this option, and after that you will enter your mail ID, and you have to upload your passport size pic. You have to upload your passport copy as well, and any other required documents if they ask for applying. So they also mentioned the fees for each course in their description. Like if I go down, the cost for this certified course is 600 euro. So you have to pay this fees if you want to get certified for this course. And they also mentioned about the estimated workload for each course, and the duration and application process as well, that you have to upload your CV and passport copy in the form of image like PNG or JPG. So payment method they also mentioned, like how you can do the payment for each course. So these are some of the courses that are paid from the UNU, and like you can, when you click on the second course, you can see the option of applying, and also the cost again is 600 euro. So you can scroll down and you can select any course according to your that best match with your field of expertise and area of study. Okay, so these are some courses that UNU or United Nations University offer in hybrid mode, like in online mode. You don't need to go to any other university or anything anywhere. You just take these courses online by paying fees, and at the end of the completion of course you will be certified with the course completion certificate. So it would be very good and beneficial for your academic career. So this is about the paid online courses that UNU provides. Now we will move towards some free courses that are also available online, and it is provided by UNU. So we will provide the link of this free courses in description. You can check from there. So some of the free courses registration, it is already closed, while some of the courses are still available. For example, these are some courses that are related to environment. Most of them are related to environment, water quality, and environment management and sustainability. So you can check according to your area of interest, or whatever you want to take or learn about that course. So they mentioned for each course that it is available now, available now, available now. And the courses that are for which registration is closed, it is like mentioned as enrollment closed. Okay, so these courses that are mentioned as available now, you can take any of these courses, and they are available in different languages. Okay, so for these course, like it's saying like in enrollment closed. So you can check any of the course. And okay, in these courses as well, some of the courses they provide certificate, while others they don't provide certificate. For example, if I click on this first link, I can check its complete detail here, like what this course is about. I have to enroll for this course, and these are free courses. Okay, so these courses are also available in French and Spanish language, and course start date and end date and duration is also mentioned, like it will be the course of 3 hours. You have to take the class for 3 hours. Like you have for these 3 hours, what will you learn? Like you will see some kind of video recording, then they will ask some question as well. Like you have to take the quiz for the completion of course. Once you complete and successfully complete that quiz online, then only then you will be able eligible for the receiving of certificate. But this course, it doesn't provide a certificate, so it's up to you if you want to receive the certificate or not. Like if you just want to improve your knowledge, you can enroll. But if you are also interested in receiving the certificate, then you can skip this course. So another course, when I opened this course, yeah, it provided a certificate, but for this course enrollment closed. Okay, so you can't apply for this course for now. So for this course enrollment closed, but they provide certificate, and I also completed this course few days ago. So it was a good learning from this United Nations University. So again, you can check any of these courses, like if I click on this course, it is in different language. So it also depends, like in which language it provides the course, like it is only available in this language and it doesn't provide any certificate. So from these options you can select any of the course that provides certificate, and that is according to your area of study. Okay, so once you click on these enroll now option, it will ask you to add your information or register for the site. Like you can provide your full name, first name, last name, and then you have to add your email address. And once you add your email address, you will get email notification or your mail ID to verify your mail. So once you verify your mail from your mail ID, then you can enroll again, you can sign in again to the site, and you can start your course. So this kind of email, like account activation mail, you will receive once you register for these courses. So when you get this kind of mail, you need to click on this activate your account. So once you click on activating your account, you will be then moved to the browser for activation, and after that you can sign into your course. So once I click on activate account, as I have completed this course, so I will click like it is mentioned as completed course here. So I can view my certificate from here, and also you can download in your certificate in the form of PDF. And for example, here you can see an option of print option. So when I click on print, I can save my certificate, and either to which folder you want to save. For example, if I want to save on desktop, I will save it. Like I will click on save, yeah, on desktop. Here you can select any of the folder. I will select desktop, and then I will click on save. Okay, so your certificate will be saved to your desktop. Okay, so this kind of certificate you can receive at the end of completion of the course. So it is certifying that you have completed this kind of like this certificate or course from the United Nations University. So it would be good for you to complete these courses, and you can add these courses in your resume as well. So here is the certificate. You can see they also mentioned like learning center and the name of the full name in the form of abbreviation of the provider, and they mention the date and the time as well. And here the logo of United Nations University is also present on your certificate. So it would be good for you to take these courses. So if you are interested in receiving any kind of information or courses regarding United Nations, and you want to enhance your skills or knowledge, you can enroll for these free courses as well as paid courses, and if your budget falls within the price they mentioned for each course. Okay, so in coming videos we will also discuss some more interesting courses regarding Elsewhere Reviewer Hub. Like you can also take some courses from different publishers of different journals like Elsewhere Reviewer Hub, Springer, and Taylor and Francis, and ACS Reviewer Hub as well, in order to improve your reviewing abilities, and for reviewing a research paper or a review paper. So those courses are also free, and they also provide certificate, and we will also show you some of the certificates that we received from after completion of those certificates. So these kind of online courses, they are available online. Some are free and some are paid, and they help in improving your knowledge, and in order to sharpen your skills regarding your area of expertise or area of study. Then we must suggest you to take or enroll for these courses so that you can get benefit from it. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like or subscribe this channel, and also please share these videos with your colleagues or friends so that they may also get benefit from taking these kind of courses. So we will discuss some important topics in coming videos. So till then, Allah Hafiz.